Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to change the clock size on your iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 17 series overall. So the process is very simple. You just need to swipe from the top left corner and press and hold in an empty area to enter into the wallpaper mode. By default, whichever wallpaper you have, you can customize that. Just press on that customization button. And right here, just under the clock, you will see a new handle. Just press it and drag it down and you can change the clock size just like that. You can change the clock size of choice and then press the down button. Once you have done that, it has been added. And when you are done that, you will see that the clock size has not been changed. Well, this is because there are some notification here. Now, if I clear the notification, as you can see, it's going to be changing the size of the clock. So guys, do note that if you choose the other font option other than the first one, then your clock size will not change. Only the default clock font will be changing the size of the clock, not the other one. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.